Hello everybody, welcome back to another Bitcoin update. I'm Chris and I'm going to show you what's happening right now for the Bitcoin price, because you can clearly see that today, before a couple hours, we saw an insane rally up to $31,000. And guys, as you know, we reached this symmetrical triangle for our time frame technical price target of 100%, which I discussed you guys the last couple days. As you can clearly see, I was telling you that this is gonna break out either to the upside or either to the downside, because we have a Bollinger Band here which squeezed a lot, and I told you that I give more odds to break to the upside, and you can clearly see that, guys, well, that we broke to the upside and we accomplished this technical price target of $31,000 100%. So right now someone could say, Chris, what's happening? Are we gonna get into a bull run, or we're gonna see a massive pullback back and under of $30,000? Right now we are standing at $30,300 area, and guys, I will tell you in this video the most important thing to actually see furthermore bullish action for the Bitcoin price. What's gonna be, okay? What is that important thing? So if you would like to know all these things, all you have to do is to remain at the end of the video. And before we continue, guys, I would like to show you my Patreon, because today with the Ethereum pump, we saw some altcoin season, some small altcoin pump, and guys, the portfolio, my portfolio, and the guys who actually did the same thing that I do made an insane couple percentage up, over 10% almost in everything. Some altcoins did 30%, and before 2 weeks that I invest in some altcoins, guys, some of those did a 5x. So you can understand how important it is to join into the Patreon VIP soldier membership, because I'm giving you guys buy signals, sell signals, stake signals, access to my portfolio, and most of my buy signals obviously is the mid cap and large cap with a massive potential, but most of those are startups, crypto startups that actually have massive potential for 100x, 300x, 500x, or even 1000x. Okay, are very early with a huge potential, and to find projects like that you need an extensive research. And right now I'm holding approximately 150 altcoins, and you can do the same thing, guys, because imagine just to invest at $50, and this coin does 500x. $50 multiplied by 500x, you can understand how much money you can make with such a low investment. And that's the purpose of my strategy, and I'm gonna show you guys on this group how I deploy this strategy and accumulating all these kind of different altcoins. And right now I have 150 altcoins. When we're gonna see an altcoin season more than usual, I'm gonna have over 200 altcoins and probably over 300 altcoins when the bull run is gonna on peak. So subsequently I'm taking these profits on BTC, and I made an insane wealth. I did that in the previous bull run, and on this Patreon I'm teaching you this for to do that by yourself, and also I will do that and I'm gonna compound all over again the same wealth. Okay, so without losing more time, guys, let's dive straight into our analysis, and let's smash 100 likes, because with this way you help me so much continue this journey with a very simple process of a daily like, daily comments, share with your friends is all I need, and a big thank you to everyone who do that. And let's start, guys, because we have lots of interesting things to cover out. Initially, the most important thing that you need to know is to break the $30,500 area. I told you that, guys, many days, that this is the most important major resistance for the Bitcoin price, and the time that we're gonna surpass, we're gonna actually see the beginning of the bull run. Right now you can clearly see, after this massive impulsive move that we saw before a couple hours up to $31,000, right now we are back at $30,350, which is very rational, because, guys, you can understand that many people taking profits on all these areas because they don't believe everyone that this could be the beginning of the bull run. But, guys, seriously, if we're gonna see furthermore impulsive move up to $33,000 or over, we can never ever come back to under $30,000. So this could be a potential the beginning of the bull run. and the most important thing is to break the $33,500 and stay above that. So in 3 hours from now and 44 minutes, we're gonna close this daily candle, and if this daily candle is gonna be above this massive yellow line, this could be an insane signal to see furthermore pump until Sunday. Okay, and the next pump is in a price target, which I'm gonna show you in a very few. Do not forget that back here we had a bull flag which broke exactly that area which I told you that we had here this daily support and this daily resistance, and I told you that if this daily resistance is gonna break to the upside, this is a bull signal, and it happened as I told you. Guys, this bull flag has a technical price target at $37,000, so be ready for see something like an insane rally up to $37,000. Obviously this is gonna be hard, but it's not impossible. Okay, probably we're gonna find some real big strength at $33,000 if we're gonna jump into the beginning of the bull run. We're gonna stick, guys, on that area, $33,000 for a couple days, and subsequently we're gonna move a little bit higher straight to this bull flag technical price target. Okay, and let's continue to this symmetrical triangle 4-hour time frame. This has been accomplished 100%. That's why some people probably took profits on $31,000 area, and we saw some pullback here. Some people also short from over $31,000 because it could be obviously for some guys that we're gonna see some pullback with the time that we surpass this 30,500 most important resistance area, which you can clearly see it was the previous support of the bull run of 2021. Okay, guys, also guys, you can clearly see here that we had this small bull flag in the 1-hour time frame, and we had broke this. You can clearly see at $30,200 area, we jumped at $31,000, then we came back to retest the previous resistance as a support, and right now we saw again some slightly pump to the upside, which we are standing at $30,352, and let's see what we're gonna do from that point. There is a big potential to see a bounce, a very big bounce straight to the technical price target of this bull flag, which is exactly the $32,500 area. Okay, this could be very possible to happen. Last but not least, we have this guy's monthly MACD, which is the most important signal for me right now. That's why, guys, I don't show you too many different things, because I stick to some basics and actually to some basic patterns which I believe that can play out, and you can clearly see that monthly MACD, I show you that every day because I believe a lot that if the monthly, this we have 16 days more to close this monthly MACD, and if we're gonna close this monthly MACD into green candle, and actually if especially we're gonna see furthermore pump at 32,000, 35,000, prices like that, this could be an insane golden cross which could jump us straight into the beginning of the bull run. So you can understand the importance or to pay attention on that monthly MACD. Okay, guys, this is exactly what I would like to tell you. I give more odds again to see a breakout and stay above that, and justification for that is very simply, guys, you have been know that I was quite bearish in all this area on the bear market. I was I was always bearish. You have been know that if you were watching all my videos in the past. But the time that we saw, guys, this insane rally to the upside, where the banks collapsed and the global economy went from bad to worse, I switched into neutral position because I saw adoption, guys. We saw Bitcoin adoption. This is very serious. Do not neglect that. I was one of the most bearish guys out there, and suddenly I became a neutral. This is a big signal to you if you have some rational thinking that this could be something. Okay, because if more banks will go into collapse, we can see furthermore pump for the Bitcoin price, and that could be also mean that we're gonna stay on the bear market. Okay, nobody says that if we're gonna see a bump to $40,000, that this could pump the Bitcoin price up to $200,000 in just a month. No, guys, we can stay in prices like $35,000 between $50,000 for many months. And when the bull run is gonna come, guys, we're gonna see incredible rally. Incredible rally. I believe the minimum, the berries, is gonna be the $200,000 for the next bull run. Mark my words. Okay, guys, mark my words. I believe $200,000 is gonna be the berries scenario for the Bitcoin, and we can see, guys, Bitcoin worth in multi-trillions, like 5 trillion, 6 trillion, 7 trillion, even more. Okay, even more. People start realizing that the banks are a scam, the governments are a scam, and Bitcoin is the people currency, is giving the power back to the people. That's why I believe into massive blow up in the next bull run. Okay, and this is what I would like to tell you in this video. I hope you enjoyed the video. Let me know down below in the comment section if you have any question. Don't forget, guys, to actually join into my membership, VIP soldier. You're gonna regret that, I can promise you. A coin that I gave you into my Twitter for free, 1000x coin right now is almost a double. So if you had an initial investment in $1,000 right now, you can double that if you invest at the right time. And the time that I gave you that signal in Twitter, I had invested before a couple months. So you can understand that I had already made more than 2x. So that's why it's important on my VIP soldier. And also, guys, I'm gonna share with you my documents from the members who're gonna join and the profits that we're gonna make. Make sure that you're gonna be in the first 50 people here, because you are gonna have access with only that amount of money. Subsequently, this is gonna be higher because all the people in the group are gonna be profitable, and my goal is to be all the people in my group to be profitable. That's why you're gonna stay on my group. Okay, that's why. That's for now. I will see you guys in my next video. Until then, your boy Chris out. Bye.